Database, it is completely a new technology. Whatever traditional database systems we have, it is completely replacing, and we can make operational analytics than traditional analytics what we are doing now. See, if you look into the slide, the IDC estimates that worldwide digital content added up to 487 billion gigabytes in 2009. So that means the data every 18 months, the data is increasing, and to maintain for enterprises, and it's a very difficult thing. So this SAP in-memory database runs 460 billion rows of data analysis less than a second. That is the power of in-memory database. We can process every address of every individual on earth. That also possible using in-memory database. And the amount of tax paid by everyone on the planet, that also we can process less than 1 second. Coming to the Oxford Economic Standards, companies that implement real-time systems seen an average growth of 21% revenue growth and 19% its cost reduction. These are some statistics. First of all, what exactly IMDb? It's an in-memory database system. An in-memory database is a database management system that primarily relies on a main memory for computer data storage. Basically, in-memory database have the ability to provide real-time information in nanoseconds instead of milliseconds. That is the power of in-memory database. So in-memory database supports real-time analytics. Basically, organizations can instantly explore and analyze all of the transactional and analytical data from virtually any data source in real time. That means whatever database it may be, whether it is a SAP database or non-SAP database, we can extract data and we can modeling the data, and we can create reports, operational reports or analytical reports. But these reports are real time. Whatever traditional reports, whatever dashboards, whatever analytical reports we are creating, these reports are maybe near real time reports, or 1 day or 2 days old reports. But just imagine when in-memory comes into the picture, and once we have the real time analytics, whatever day-to-day analytics are there, we can analyze a lot, and whatever operational reports are there, these reports we can able to see in iPods, and these reports can easily deployed into the Android applications also. Every mobile phone can support these reports.